Hey guys, what's up? This is Prachi, and today we're going to talk about skincare actives and more importantly, which actives you must try at least once in your life. Now, we're going to talk about the top 5 skincare actives, and let me in the comment section below which one of these have you tried and how your experience has been. So, the number one on my list is AHAs and BHAs, which basically are classed under chemical exfoliators. So, it includes all kinds of things like glycolic acid, salicylic acid, mandelic acid, lactic acid. Of this, if you really ask me which one is the most important of all, which is salicylic acid. Of course, all of these are important. They fall under AHAs and BHAs separately. And what do they basically do? They clean up your skin. So AHAs clean up your skin on the surface, BHAs clean up your skin from deep within. Salicylic acid is a BHA. The interesting thing about these acids is that they're actually very, very safe to use on the skin. Dermatologists love these ingredients. And people who have a lot of clogged pores, who have a lot of acne problems, continuous acne breakouts, people with sensitive skin are often recommended to use, say, a salicylic acid face wash or something of that sort. It can be in a gel form, also it can be in a cream form, a serum form. There's so many ways to actually include them in your skincare routine. Start using them in your skincare routine if you feel that your skin just, in spite of using all kinds of face masks and scrubbing and exfoliating and this and that things haven't been working for you. This could actually be a game changer. And if you want to step up your game a little bit, you can actually use a chemical peeling solution. I have done a separate video on this topic entirely, so you can check it out. But AHAs and BHAs are a very important classification of actives that must be used in skincare routine, not just once in your life, but from time to time whenever you think your skin needs it. Another thing that I want to talk about, the next skincare active, which is niacinamide. Niacinamide or niacinamide, niacin, different ways to call it. Vitamin B3 is basically a form of vitamin B3, which is so fabulous for your skin, guys. We all tend to get dark spots, marks, uneven skin tone from time to time. No matter how much care you take, this is bound to happen once in a while. Niacinamide is actually a very, very safe ingredient to add to your skincare routine, and you will start seeing a difference. Once again, this is an active which is recommended by dermatologists all over the world. It's a heavily researched ingredient which basically works by inhibiting melanin production and just giving you clearer, even looking skin tone. So if you're looking for product recommendations, I think this can be a very, very good recommendation. I've talked about this product before, which is a 5% niacinamide daily face serum. Is designed specifically for clear and spotless skin. It contains niacinamide, alpha arbutin, and it also contains multivitamins. As you can see, the product is dermatologically tested, fragrance free, and it also has something called penetration booster, which basically means that this is a formula which will go into deeper layers of your skin. So the brand is a Dermaco. In fact, in this video, I think the products which I will be showing you will be all from the same brand, which is the Dermaco. Because number one, I do have a lot of Dermaco products, and I actually like this brand, guys. It's a brand designed by dermatologists. Yes, dermatologists themselves have designed this brand. So it's very safe, very effective, very scientifically done. As for using the serum, a very good way to use a serum is, of course, you first need to clean up your skin. Then just take a few drops and pat it into your skin like this. Okay, push it into your skin like this till your skin absorbs it all. It's a very lightweight, gentle formula, so you will not have to work too hard on it. And once it has been absorbed, just see it with a moisturizer. So use it as a part of your AM/PM routine every single day. You will start seeing a noticeable difference very soon, no matter how bad your marks are. Niacinamide is extremely effective. Okay, another ingredient which I feel is a must-have for every skincare routine for everybody, at least sometime in your life you should try out this active, which is hyaluronic acid. Now, what is hyaluronic acid? Hyaluronic acid, interestingly, is already present in your skin, but as we age, the hyaluronic acid starts to deplete. So while you're in your 20s, you will already start experiencing this depletion. You may not be able to tell this immediately, but your skin will start feeling more dry, more dehydrated, and as you age, it will get even worse. So hyaluronic acid is something which is already present in your skin. So when you replenish hyaluronic acid, it's not like you're adding something foreign to your skin. It's just something that your skin is already accustomed to. So hyaluronic acid is known as moisture magnet because it can hold up to 1000 times its weight in water. Once again, it's an active that you'll find in a lot of moisturizers, a lot of creams, a lot of even face washes these days. It's again super safe. Even for people with sensitive skin, it is very, very, very safe. Next, I want to talk about another active which has been like a big thing in the beauty industry, and rightly so, because it's so useful, which is vitamin C. That's because, guys, vitamin C is loaded with benefits. It has antioxidant benefits. It can help in dealing with free radicals. It can help in dealing with spots, signs of aging. If you have uneven skin tone, it also helps to brighten your skin, make your skin glow. So there are a lot of products available in the market these days. One of my personal favorites, which again I have talked about in one of my very recent videos as well, which is the Dermaco 5% vitamin C daily
Oily Face Serum.
It's designed for skin illumination. It contains vitamin C, ferulic acid, and it also contains multivitamins. The formula is once again dermatologically tested, fragrance free with penetration booster, and the brand, of course, is the Dermaco, which, like I said, is a brand designed by dermatologists. So, just once again, if you want to use this serum, just make sure your skin is clean. Take a few drops, dab it on your skin, pat it down, let your skin absorb it all, and finally seal it with a moisturizer. Now, here's the thing about vitamin C, guys. It's a very, very good active. Just make sure that you're pairing it with the right ingredients. I've done a separate video on this topic, so I'm not going to those details today, but vitamin C is something that everybody should try at least once in their lifetime because it's just brilliant for your skin. Okay, and last but not the least, another active. Now this is a much more recent discovery, so I haven't talked about this a lot on my channel, but a brilliant product or a brilliant active, which is Zika, Cica. It's also known as tiger grass. In Hindi we call it Brahmi, and it's something which has been around for a really long time, whether it's India, whether it's Korean skincare. It's something which is used in medicines, as food. It's very safe, very healthy, and so amazing for your skin, guys. By the way, why is it called tiger grass? It's also known as tiger grass because tigers, when they get injured or wounded or something in the wild, they roll about in Zika to regenerate the skin or heal the skin. So Zika is something that is absolutely worth trying out for your skincare because it helps to improve the skin's natural moisture barrier. It also helps to keep your skin glowing, dewy, reduce scars, dryness, inflammation, irritation. Zika has so many benefits, and it's again very safe. So a wonderful active, a wonderful thing to add to your skincare routine. There are various forms of including it. It can be in a face wash, in a moisturizer, in a serum. I've actually reviewed the Dermaco Zika range very recently, so I will share the video link for that video in the description box below if you want to check it out. And of course, guys, like, these ingredients are safe, these actives are very safe, but whenever you're trying out a new product, a new ingredient, always do a patch test. It's just the thumb rule of any product that you try on your skin for the first time. And obviously it goes without saying that pair it with a sunscreen, everything that you use. All the products that I have shared with you today are from the same brand, the Dermaco. I will share the links for whatever I've used in the description box below, so you can check them out on Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart. However, if you buy directly from the dermaco.com, you can use this coupon code, which is SWS2022, SWS 2022, for flat 20% off. And here's an interesting thing, guys. Like, this is a brand that has also partnered with Bhumi to help educate children. So every time you place an order with them on the website, they will link your order to a child that they're helping educate through Bhumi, and they have pledged to help 10,000 plus students this year. So yes, guys, that's what I want to share with you all today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to Superwowstyle for more. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.